I am Misty Perry, and we're back to Transversals. So, remembering from before that the vertical angles are equal, and the ones right next to each other are going to be supplementary. Vertical angles don't have any lines in common. If you have a line in common, like it's its neighbor, that's a 180. So we were looking at this last time. There's a parallel and there's a transversal. Well, what they're going to do to us now is this. So now we have two transversals. Okay, they will usually give you a couple of angles. So let's say this is 37, and we'll make this one, hold on, we'll make this one inside here, okay, 45. Okay, and it will tell you to find X, Y, and sometimes Z. So what you have to do is ignore this X at the beginning. I know it comes at the top, don't solve it first, it's the hardest one to solve. The other two are simple transversals. Okay, if I cut off the rest of this picture, like so, you can see that these are equal. This is my parallel lines, my transversal, that's alternate interior, those are equal. So Y is going to be 45. If I do the same thing with this side of it, you can see that Z is going to be equal to 37. These are alternate interior. So Z is 37. Now, a straight line is 180 degrees. If I add 37 plus, I know Y is 45, plus whatever X is, I'm going to get 180 degrees. So when you do your math, that comes out to minus 45 minus 98 degrees. So X is 98 degrees. Look for the transversals. You know you've got two transversals, and then you're going to have one supplementary. Some of them are kind of backwards, but you always have the same information. Look for the transversals first, and then if there's one like this with the 3 letters, that's going to be a supplementary for 180 degrees. Oh, is that all? Oh no, one more kind. One more kind. Aren't we lucky? Okay, I lost my dog. Okay. So, the other kind of problem, you will see, this is the last kind, and we're done with this section. You'll see something that looks like this. You'll have a given angle here, and one here, and then it has 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're going to do the same thing as we did with the, get rid of the other side. You can see that this angle is going to be the same as this one. Going to be the same. When you get rid of the other side, you can see that these two are the same. And then you have that group of 3. And an extra supplementary. So I'm going to go ahead and put in some numbers here. This one is not going to make you solve equations for it. Yay. So if I say this is 35, that one's 40. And then it's going to say 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I know this is my supplementary, right? So I have have 35 plus 40 plus whatever x is going to equal 180. So that's 105. Okay, now we're going to look at this right here. Okay, here's the one transversal. Okay, this one and this one are going to be equal. So this one is 40. Okay, these are supplementary. So you're going to have 40 plus something equals 180 to get that one. So that's 140, right? Now I want this 1 over here. If I look at this side, here we go. Those two are going to be equal, so my 1 is going to be equal to 35. Okay, how long have I been yapping? All right, I'll do one more this time. So my parallel lines, I know they're parallel. I know they're parallel because they have the mark. And it's got 2 transversals. This will be given, this will be given, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's call this one 70, and this one over here 65. Change colors. Okay, these guys right here are supplementary, right? They're on the same line. They're all consecutive on the same line. 70 plus whatever this one is, plus 65 is going to be 180. So, number 2 is 45. Okay, now I'm going to look, I'm going to cover up the second transversal. Okay. I know this one and this one are going to be equal. This one right here and this one. So this one will be 65. Number 4. Okay, I want to use this transversal over on this side. I know this one and this one are going to be equal. And then how do I figure out number 3, you ask? Right here you have a supplementary. So you have 65 plus something is going to equal 180. So it's going to be 115. And those are your angles. Let me know if you need some more help. I'll talk to you later. Bye.